Hello and welcome to this Atlona overview presentation. My name is Ken Eagle. I'm the Global Director of Field Training and Sales Education for Atlona. Let's jump in and take a look at this Atlona presentation. Right here you can see a global map of Atlona business. Our global headquarters is in Silicon Valley, that's San Jose, California. We have international headquarters in Zurich, Switzerland, as well as an office in Hong Kong. And as you can see through all the little black dots on the map, we've got sales offices all over the world. So Atlona offers over 155 different active product SKUs. We can break those down into 4 key product categories. The first is AV over IP. We'll look at that category first today. The second being control and management. This is really more of a software-based product category. The third, BYOD, that's bring your own device and collaboration solutions. And finally, circuit-based distribution, which is basically everything else in the line. This is all the HDMI and HD-Base-T products in the Atlona product family. All right, a little background on doing business with Atlona. A lot of our customers give us some great feedback on why they've had success with Atlona. I've tried to capture that on the slide here. Number one, innovation. They love that Atlona is an innovative company, always trying to bring out the latest and greatest products for AV communication. Also, I'm going to circle this with my pen here. Standard 10-year warranty on all Atlona products. That is a big key to success for Atlona. Dealers love the fact that we offer 10-year warranty. Point out here that we also have an incredible award-winning training and education program. That's Atlona Academy. You see that I'm circling it right here. You can find us online at atlona.com. Click on the training button for all of our accredited education programs. All right, taking a look at the product portfolio. I mentioned we would start with the AV over IP category. This product family is called OmniStream, and there are a couple of key subgroups within this product family. The first is what we call our OmniStream Pro. This is the commercial AV over IP product line, and this features 2 sets of encoders and decoders. The first you see here is the dual channel encoder and the dual channel decoder. This is unique in the industry. This is a key differentiator between Atlona AV over IP products and other brands in the market. Having dual channel encoders and decoders allows for redundancy and failover and for high availability environments that a lot of competitors don't cover, but Atlona offers that. We also offer single channel encoders and decoders as well. And then the second category is our OmniStream R-Type, which is great for residential and light commercial applications. These are a dual channel encoder and a single channel decoder, and these will support HDR resolutions, including Dolby Vision HDR as well. Third category here is the USB over IP product family. These consist of a host USB product and a device USB product or a hub. This allows someone with a computer to be able to talk to and control a USB device across the room or across the building or across a campus over the IP connection. Very powerful tool. And final category here is audio. We offer 2 different audio streaming products. One is the 232, which is a Dante-enabled on-off bridge for IP audio. And then we also have the 238, which is a digital to analog audio converter, breaking audio out into 8 different zones. And both of these products support AES-67 and Dante audio streaming capability. Next product is called the SW510W. This is a market first universal AV switcher for wired and wireless presentations. This product supports USB-C inputs. It supports DisplayPort and HDMI, as well as wireless inputs natively, allowing you to stream from your Apple devices using AirPlay, from your Android devices, or from Google Cast or Miracast devices on a mobile or a laptop computer. This product also features 2 video outputs, an HDMI out and an HD-Base-T output. These can be set to mirror each other, so they put out the same source, or they can be put into matrix mode, allowing for two different sources to be shown at the same time. Next is our HD-based circuit-based distribution switchers. We have a couple of categories here. The first category is the CLSO presentation switcher. There are 4 key products in this family. The 601, which offers support for some legacy inputs like VGA, also offers video scaling up and down from 4K, as well as audio reinforcement with mics and audio de-embedding. The second is the 612 ED. Note that ED stands for extended distance because this product offers HD-based inputs, allowing for connections to be up to 100 meters away using our HDVS transmitters. The presenter can connect directly into the input of the CLSO and then present. This box also includes 4K up and down scaling as well as audio reinforcement capabilities. Next product in the CLSO family is the 824. The 824 features 8 inputs, including 3 HD-based inputs and 4 outputs. These are matrixed outputs. You have an HDMI with a mirrored HD-based and you have a second HDMI with a mirrored HD-based and these can be used in a matrix mode, allowing for 4 displays. And the final product is the CLSO 840. 8 inputs, 4 outputs, matrixed outputs. You also have independent audio matrixing built into this box as well. Second product family is the Pro 3 matrix switchers. These are HDMI in to HD-based outputs. These are matrix, so it's any to any input to output. And we offer these in 4x4, 6x6, 8x8, and 16x16 configurations. Each of these models include additional HD-based HDMI expansion ports on the output side for additional functionality, and they all support 4K video streaming as well as being HDCP 2.2 compliant. And the final matrix product family is called the Opus, very similar to the Pro 3 we just looked at, except this family also supports the ability to stream HDR video signals. So high dynamic range video signals with extra color and contrast and metadata. These are the matrix switchers you'll want to use for those applications. And these come in an 8x10, a 6x8, and a 4x6 format. Now we'll continue with the HD-based circuit-based distribution and take a look first at our video distribution amplifier series. Here we have the UHD, that's 4K, Cat 4 distribution amplifier, and the Cat 8 distribution amplifier. These are HDMI inputs with HD-based outputs out to the display, also passing control to those displays as well as audio and video. And below that, the Rondo series, which are HDMI to HDMI connectivity. The Rondo 422 is 1 input, 2 output, and the 444 is 1 input to 4 outputs. And these will support 4K HDR resolutions. Second category here is the HDMI matrix switching products. We offer these in a 4x4 and an 8x8 version, and these will be HDMI input to HDMI output supporting 4K and HDR switching. We also offer the Juno series, which is a 4 input, 1 output HDR switcher, and we also have a series of extenders that also support HDR resolutions. And final category here for huddle rooms and small meeting space are our HDVS and wall plate solutions. Here you see our HDVS 200 transmitter and receiver using HD-based technology. And these can be mixed and combined with any of our wall plate inputs, whether they are for US or international series gang boxes. And supporting a mix of VGA, HDMI, and USB-C inputs. Next category here is audio with decoding, down mixing, and amplification. In the decoding and down mixing category, we offer a product called the M2C, which is a multi-channel to two-channel audio down mixer. We have that in a standalone version here in the middle, and above that in a quad version, meaning there are 4 of these combined together in a single chassis, and they will accept resolution, video resolution and signals up to 4K HDR, as well as support DTS and Dolby Digital audio signals. In the amplification category, we have 3 products to look at. The Gain series, the 120 amplifier. This is a 120 watt amplifier, which also features the ability to install an expansion card to allow for direct ingestion of Dante or AES 67 audio streams. And the Gain 60 just below that, which is a 60 watt amplifier, which is ideal for small to medium sized conference rooms. And below that, the 40 watt amplifier series, which is ideal for huddle spaces to small meeting spaces. That's the AMS, that's the Atlona Management System, which is a software tool designed for the installer to use to discover all of the products on the network, gather all the IP addresses, be able to connect to all the management and menu interfaces, set up, control, and even manage and update firmware on all of those devices. AMS even offers a virtual matrix interface to allow that installation team to begin setting up all of their audio video routes, for their switching for their sources and their displays, so they can build the right application for their customer. And finally, we get to Velocity, which is our cloud-based enterprise-grade AV control system. Velocity consists of 3 pieces. The first piece is the gateway processor. Atlona does things a little bit different. Rather than having a control processor for every room, we offer centralized processing, and we offer licenses to scale to any size needed for the organization. This reduces the amount of hardware that the customer needs to buy and makes setup and management and deployment far easier for the integrator. Second piece are touch panels. Atlona offers touch panels in 8-inch and 5.5 versions. Plus, we offer licenses to allow mobile devices to be used as touch panels in the system. And the final piece is cloud access, allowing for an installation or installer or an integrator to be able to connect and manage client systems remotely. All right, I mentioned it earlier, but please don't forget Atlona Academy. Go to atlona.com. You can go to atlonaacademy.com. You can also visit atlona.com and click on the training button to get to our online education portal and our training programs. We offer accredited training programs through both Infocom and CEDIA, or Avixa and CEDIA, with all of our technology and product-related courses. And also, don't forget about our YouTube channel. So subscribe to that channel and you'll get all of the latest updates. And finally, here is some of our contact information. Feel free to reach out to me anytime or out to our inside sales team, tss@atlona.com, if you have questions about our products or looking to get in touch with someone at Atlona.